Surgical Guide of Thoracolumbar Posterior Screw Rod System. Each component is made of TC20 material that meets the GB 13810 standard. The diameter of the pedicle screw is 4.5 to 7.0. The length of the connecting rod is 40 to 400. Increase every 5 millimeters between 40 and 100. Increase every 10 millimeters between 110 and 160. One. Expose the vertebral body and use the intersection or lambdoid ridge apex method to determine the entry point. 2. Prepare the screw channel. Use an opening awl to penetrate the cortex at the screw point. 3. Use an opener to drill holes according to the needle insertion angle, gradually drilling into the cancellous bone of the pedicle and vertebral body. 4. Use a finder to explore the screw channel to confirm if the bone wall is intact. 5. Insert a pedicle marker into the completed screw hole. There are two types of pedicle markers, spherical and cylindrical. Insert the same type of pedicle marker on the same side. Position it under the X-ray machine, and make corresponding adjustments based on the X-ray image until it is right. 6. Select appropriate screws based on the distribution of screw holes and intraoperative needs. 7. If the bone is hard, you can tap it first. Select the appropriate tap according to the screw specifications. 8. The screwdriver for monaxial pedicle screws is divided into two levels, reduction or not. First, push the tail locking block to the end. After connecting the screws, rotate the middle sleeve clockwise to lock the screw into the gear slot, and then push the tail locking block into the gear to lock it. Lock the tail to prevent the screws from loosening during the whole process. 9. Use a ratchet wrench to connect a screwdriver to screw the appropriate screw into the prepared screw channel. The polyaxial pedicle screwdriver is also divided into two levels, reduction or not. First, push the tail locking block to the end. On the head, connect the plumb head with the plumb inside the screw. Rotate the middle sleeve clockwise to lock the screw into the gear slot, and then push the tail locking block into the gear to lock it. Lock the tail to prevent the screw from loosening during the whole process. 11. Bend the connecting rod according to the physiological curvature of the human body. The scale line on the connecting rod is the bending indicator line, and the bend is carried out along the direction of the indicator line. 12. Use the rod forceps to hold the connecting rod. 13. Use a rod pusher to press the connecting rod, and use a pre-locking screwdriver to hold the screw plug for pre-locking. Rotate the connecting rod to make the curvature of the connecting rod consistent with the physiological curvature of the spine. Pulling Method 1. Pull and pre-lock with a pulling forceps. Pulling Method 2. Pull and pre-lock with a frog forceps. Use a distractor to spread and lock. 14. Use a compressor to compress, reset, and lock. 15. Use an anti-rotation wrench and a torque wrench for final locking. 16. Install the connector. 17. Break the tail of the reduction